Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We have many types of hibiscus plants in our garden. But nowadays the flowers are so small and most of the times the flowers don't even bloom. Today I will tell about how to take care of this hibiscus plant and what type of mistake my mom has done that the flowers are not blooming and become so small. The first mistake is the mulch in monsoon season. Mulching before the rainy season, it protects the soil by forming a barrier between the rain and the ground. But my mom gave this mulching for protecting from the heat in summer. And my mom forgot to remove it during monsoon. And because of these mistakes, there are a lot of snails growing in this, as snails prefer dark, moist and cold weather. So my mom's first work is to remove the mulching. And sometimes mulching is not good for trees or shrubs. Using more than 2 inches of mulch can ultimately suffocate your plant's roots. Also remember that you should remove your mulching 2 months interval and give your soil fresh air and sunlight. We have uploaded a separate video about mulching. In there we have described what is mulching, when and how to use mulching. We have also told about the benefits of mulching. So if you are interested, then you can go to our channel and watch that video. My mom cutted some lower branches of the plant and removing the 20% of the upper soil. Look at Chinky's activity. She is also enjoying gardening with my mom. Previously, we have uploaded about a cat's video in our channel, so you can watch that video. My mom is removing the topsoil as the topsoil contains a lot of snails. In the place of the upper soil, my mom will use some kitchen waste compost as the plant's nutrition is already very low. We have already uploaded about how to make kitchen waste compost, so you can also watch about that video. It is free of cost, very easy to make, and it is also very effective for the plants. Kitchen waste compost contains every kind of micronutrients and macronutrients. My mom gives banana peel fertilizer. Banana peel fertilizer is rich in potassium and magnesium. It helps to make the stem stronger and helps the plant in root growth, and it also helps in blooming. With banana peel fertilizer, my mom also gives tea leaf compost. It helps increase oxygenation and facilitates the growth of a stronger root system. As well as my mom also uses eggshell fertilizer. Eggshell contains calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These help in plant growth and in blooming. As well as eggshell also help in getting rid of the snails. My mom will make a new plant with this cutting. Simply put it on the soil and water it daily. I hope now you know how you can fix your hibiscus plant problem. I will surely update you about how our hibiscus plants blooming. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.